let's learn the alphabet dog breeds.
Divit.
A.
A is for Akita. A is for Azawak.
B.
B is for Beagle. B is for Boxer.
C.
C is for Chihuahua. C is for Collie.
D.
D is for Dachshund. D is for Dalmatian.
E.
E is for English Bulldog. E is for Eraser.
F.
F is for Foxhound. F is for French Bulldog.
G.
G is for German Shepherd. G is for Golden Retriever.
H.
H is for Havanese. H is for Husky.
I.
I is for Irish Setter. I is for Italian Greyhound.
J.
J is for Jack Kai. J is for Japanese Chin.
K.
K is for Kishand. K is for Commandor.
L.
L is for Labrador. L is for Leonberger.
M.
M is for Maltese. M is for Maltipoo.
N.
N is for Newfoundland. N is for Norfolk Terrier.
O.
O is for Otterhounds. O is for Old English Sheepdog.
P.
P is for Pomeranian. P is for Pug.
Q.
Sorry, could not find the breed of dog in Q. If you know, then please comment below.
R.
R is for Rottweiler. R is for Russell Terrier.
S.
S is for Siberian Husky. S is for Shih Tzu.
T.
T is for Tibetan Mastiff. T is for Tibetan Terrier.
U.
U is for Uruguayan Cimarron. U is for Atonigan.
V.
V is for Vizsla. V is for Valley Bulldog.
W.
W is for Welsh Corgi. W is for Whippet.
X.
X is for Sholowit Squintley.
Y.
Y is for Yorkapoo. Y is for Yorkshire Terrier.
Z.
Z is for Zukon. Z is for Zwergpinscher.